how to create a professional signature using Gmail. So I am skipping the basic step, that is signing into a Google account in Gmail. And after that, there is an option of setting at the top right corner. You have to click on that and click on quick setting. Under that, there is a see all setting. Once you click on this, uh, in the tab of general, you will able to see further options. You have to scroll down, and at the very last you will able to see the option of signature, right? So there is already a signature which exists here. Let me delete it. I'm deleting it. So you will get an option to create new. What you have to do, you have to create a signature. Whatever the name you want to enter, you can enter here. So let's say I want to enter Vishwajit. You have to click on create. Once you create, so this is the nomenclature of this particular signature, and under this tab you can enter whatever you want. Let's say I want to enter here thanks and regards, and now you can enter your name, what you want to enter. Let's say you want to enter your phone number, you can enter your phone number. Okay. And now you also want to add some, social media links and further things. So what you can do for that, you have to have that icon, the icon that you want, to make it professional. So you can use this site that goes by the name of flat icon. I'm not promoting it, just you can use. So let's say you want to use for LinkedIn. So there are the icon section, and here you can get multiple icons. So let's say I'm searching for LinkedIn. You have to simply search it, and you will get multiple options. So this shows good. So let me open it, and I can either download it or I can save it. So let me copy it. I have copied. Now you can use a document, particular document, where you can just edit it because the size is very huge. So click on this after pasting here, and just make it a small using this tab, whatever the size you want to enter there. So let's say this will be the size that I want to enter here. So control X, and here you have to do control V. Now coming towards link, how you will insert the exact link. So just click on it and click on insert, and now you can enter the web address that you want. So let's say this is my web address. So I'm going into setting, I'm entering it, this is okay. So this is done, right? I have inserted this link into it. So what I did for the link is that selecting this and then clicking on the insert link option. By using this, you can add many more things that you want. If you want to add your image or something, that you can go and edit in the document section and then enter here. If you feel any trouble, get in touch with me. Now you have to click on save changes. Once it's done, you have to wait for a while. And now whenever you compose any email, you will easily get an option here at the bottom. Let me make it full screen, and you will get an option to insert signature. So here already the signature is exist, the signature that I have mentioned. So you can use this link and go to my LinkedIn, whatever the social media details are there. So this is the very easy way to create a professional signature.